Gerade wenn man sieht, dass das jetzt so veröffentlicht wird und das alles, da ist man schon stolz drauf.
Insgesamt war es echt richtig gut und hat mega Spaß gemacht.
Also es war richtig cool.
Sometimes revolutions start very quietly. The pioneering e-drive technology is only revealed when you delve deeper. Developed specifically for the EQC, the first Mercedes-Benz of the product and technology brand EQ. The EQC has an electric drive unit on the front axle and another on the rear axle. The two electric motors, the two-stage, one-speed transmission, including a differential, casing and cooler, the battery at the bottom of the vehicle, and the power electronics, including the software, form a highly integrated and very compact unit. The integral overall concept, which also incorporates the cooling system, is designed for high efficiency. The two electric drive units are closely related in technical terms, but in order to reduce energy consumption and increase dynamics, each is designed differently. The front E-motor is geared toward the best possible efficiency for low or medium load range, while the rear E-motor determines the dynamics. In coasting and braking operations, the mechanical rotation is converted into electrical energy and used to charge the high-voltage battery. Torque shifting allows for fully dynamic torque distribution between the front and the rear axle in order to constantly ensure an ideal balance between performance and efficiency. As a result, the EQC has the superior driving characteristics of a four-wheel drive. Driving with foresight and thus efficiently. When it comes to implementing this effective efficiency strategy, the Eco Assist driver assistance system gives drivers extensive support, with tips for when they can take their foot off the accelerator, and with functions such as coasting and targeted management of recuperation. Navigation data, traffic sign recognition, and information from the intelligent safety assistance systems are all used interconnectedly for this purpose. The battery is positioned low in the vehicle between the front and rear axles. The entire battery system is liquid-cooled. At low temperatures, a battery heater ensures the best possible performance and efficiency. Depending on the cycle, the powerful high-voltage battery allows for a range of over 400 kilometers. The EQC comes with a water-cooled onboard charger as standard, and as such is prepared for charging using alternating current at home and at public charging stations. A much faster option is a Mercedes-Benz wall box. And it is even faster with a combined charging system, allowing rapid charging with direct current. Tailor-made for the EQC, the Mercedes-Benz engineers focused in particular on the interaction between dynamics and performance, combined with a high level of efficiency and convenience. What else would you expect?
Hi Mercedes,
Yes, please.
climatize my car for 5 p.m.